I'm very happy to see my current result because I can show you 5 months ago my look is like that. You can see, and before and after. So after 5 months, I grow a lot of hair. I also feel very happy and very confident. And also, I think this is my best investment choice in my life for what I'm thinking now. Because if you never take care of yourself, then what for you make money? So you must make money and then also invest for yourself. Come to see Dr. James. Sure, very good for you. For sure.